Now, while Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. उसकी private life बहुत अजीब सी थी. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies. अपनी पढ़ाई खत्म करने के बाद उसको लड़की से शादी करनी थी. But his mother was against it. Mother against it. She thought Mileva was 3 years older than her son. उसने कहा ये मिलेवा तो 3 साल बड़ी है मेरे बेटे से. Was too old for him. बहुत बड़ी है तो थोड़ी ज़्यादा बड़ी लग रही थी उसको अपने बेटे के लिए. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. और मिलेवा बहुत इंटेलिजेंट भी थी तो उसकी माँ को अजीब सा लगता था. She is a book like you. वो तुम्हारी तरह किताबी कीड़ा है. His mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. Einstein ने wedding का विचार दिमाग से हटा दिया. The pair finally married in January 1903. फिर 1903 के अंदर उसने शादी करी उसी से and had 2 sons. 2 बच्चे हुए. But a few years later the marriage faltered. कुछ सालों बाद marriage faltered. Faltered means became weak. Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife क्योंकि wife बन रही थी घर housewife बन गई थी. Intellectually she was not able to work. That means she was not interested in her wedding life now. That's why she was starting to falling off. After years of constant fighting, the couple finally divorced in 1919. 1919 के अंदर कई सालों की लड़ाइयों के बाद उन्होंने अपना divorce file किया. Einstein married his cousin Elsa in the same year. और उसी साल आइंस्टीन ने अपनी कजन के साथ शादी कर ली. Her name was Elsa. Einstein's new personal coincided with his rise to the world fame. अब नया personal chapter हुआ, नई शादी हुई और उसने personally भी famous होने लगा. 1915 he had published his journal Theory of Relativity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. और eclipse हुआ तो पता चला कि this is an accurate, the theory of gravity, which provided the new interpretation of gravity. Gravity क्या है? Because he gave the gravity का relativity theory as well. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance the extent to which the light from fixed stars would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. उसने ये बता दिया था कि सन से लाइट स्टार्स तक लाइट कितनी सेकंड्स में, कितने माइक्रो सेकंड्स, कितने समय में पहुंचती है. तो ही वाज द फर्स्ट वन टू टेल दैट. द न्यूज़पेपर्स प्रोक्लेम्ड हिज वर्क एज अ साइंटिफिक रेवोल्यूशन. साइंटिफिक रेवोल्यूशन था, अखबारों में छापा. Einstein received the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1921. He was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. Press वालों ने उसको impress, उसको बुलाने लगे, interviews में लगे, अखबारों में छपने लगा, and he got famous by getting the Nobel Prize in 1921. When the Nazis came to power in Germany in 1933, Nazis were the troops of Hitler. Right? So when Nazis came to Germany in 1933, Einstein emigrated to the US. US चला गया. 5 years later, the discovery of the nuclear fission in Berlin and American physics was an uproar. फिर अमेरिका के अंदर nuclear fission की भी खोज हुई. Many of them had fled from fascism. बाकी लोगों ने जातिवाद की वजह से वहाँ जगह छोड़ दी, अपने रहना छोड़ दिया. और just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid of Nazis, could not build an atomic, could not build and use the atomic bomb. अब वो atomic bomb भी इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाता था. Just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid the Nazis could build and use the atomic bomb. अब वो लोग ये डरते थे कि कहीं Nazis ने atomic bomb ना बना लें और कहीं हम लोगों को खत्म ना कर दें. At the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2nd August 1939 in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole part together with some of the surrounding territory. उसने अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट को लेटर लिख के बोला कि इतना से बड़ा सा जो अगर आप लोगों ने बॉम्ब बनाया है तो कहीं वो पूरे जगह को तबाह ना कर दे. His words did not fail to have an effect. उसके वर्ड्स का कुछ मायना निकला. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own and dropped it to the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. और हिरोशिमा नागासाकी में अमेरिकन ने बम फेंका in August 1945. He was the one who urged his, the American president to make a atomic bomb. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of destruction. Now Einstein was deeply shaken. He was upset the time he wrote the public massive for the UN. This time, अब उसने United Nations को लिखा letter. In it, he proposed the formation of the world government को बनाने की बात करी. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. अब कुछ असर नहीं हुआ उस letter का. Unlike the letter to Roosevelt, this one made no impact. जैसे उसने पहले रोजवेल्ट को लेटर लिखा था अमेरिकन प्रेसिडेंट को फ्रैंकलिन को, तो उसकी बात मानी गई थी, लेकिन इस बार जब उसने यूएन को लेटर को वर्ल्ड गवर्नमेंट बनाने के लिए लेटर लिखा तो उसकी बात को नकार दिया गया. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics. He was involved in politics, agitation for an end of the arms build-up, using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. और इसकी पीस और डेमोक्रेसी के लिए इसकी फोटो यूज होने लगे, इसको यूज करने लगे लोग. He died in 1955 at the age of 76. में डेथ हो गई. He was celebrated as a visionary and world citizen as much as a scientific genius. He was a world citizen and very, very intelligent person and a genius as well. So here we finished with our lesson, and I hope you guys have understood this. You guys can post any queries if you guys have, and I'm ready to take your questions. Thank you.